Hi guys, welcome to DeVries Down Under. On this week's adventure, we're exploring Kalbarri, from the stunning Red Bluff beach to the iconic Nature's Window. We even hire a boat and try our luck. Stay tuned and see what we get up to.
Hi guys, so it's Kobe's fishing channel and I'm going to be using this new hook that I got off a fishing store and see what I get. Today I'm setting up my angler rod to go fishing with my new lure and yeah, see if I can catch anything. So guys, we're at Kalbarri Red Bluff Beach and we found this amazing spot. Look, it's so beautiful.
We're going on a mission. Find a good spot to go fishing. Hopefully, it's safe. Time will tell. Watch out for that. Watch out for that split there. No. Just be careful.
Look at all the crabs. See them all?
Yeah.
There's like a million in there.
There is. Crabs in a crevice.
They love crevices, don't they?
Yeah. Alright.
I'm gonna go over there. More.
Oh my gosh.
Jump. Can you do it?
Ah! Chat creepy.
Hey guys, so it's too rough here. We're gonna head to a creek and see if we have any luck there. So
Do we keep getting snagged?
yeah.
Not
And
worth it, is
there's
it?
like way too much big waves. Look. Way too big, so we're gonna head up and go to a creek. You guys sitting on off the jetty at the creek?
Yeah, it's getting a bit too risky.
Yeah, way too. Okay, we'll meet you there. Okay guys, so we're in this spot and I'm gonna see the luck here and I'm gonna see if I can catch anything.
Alright, let's go to our new spot.
Yeah. Okay. Is it so far, Mum?
Yeah?
Yes. So pretty good.
Any bites, mate? Get some nibs?
Try cast it towards the boat.
It's up to you. Snapper likes to go in there, don't they?
Cooper was determined to land a fish today, but sometimes the fish have other plans. They just weren't biting. Morning guys, so today we're up nice and early to go see Nature's Window.
18 people died on this trail.
Oh my gosh.
That's nice to know.
Great. Let's go for a walk. Right, how's the walk, guys?
It's not fun.
Yeah, it is long, isn't it? But it'll be worth it.
Straight line.
Look at that view.
We arrived to Nature's Window around about 6:30 a.m. to beat the traffic, but it looks like everyone had the same plan as us.
Hey! His sister, so Lily, was too scared to come on this walk because she is scared of heights.
You excited? What are we doing?
Going on a boat for my first time.
Excited, yeah?
Yes!
So we have just hired out some boats and we're about to go fishing.
Any nibs, Bob? Just wait. That's a bream! You don't beer! Bring it up here! Hey! Fisherman Cooper! Alright, let her hold that.
Morning guys, so it's moving day. So today we say goodbye to all our family who came up and visited us in Kalbarri. We had a lovely 3 days, it was just beautiful. So went fishing and I even managed to do a photo shoot, which was good. 2 photo shoots actually.
Yeah, that was great actually. A little bit of income while we're travelling, so it's good. I don't really want to go.
I know.
Next spot's on the coast.
I will say something though, going to a caravan park in school holidays is hectic. There are kids everywhere all the time. I mean, it's fantastic because our kids can play, but it's full on, isn't it? Caravan parks and school holidays.
Yeah, it was good too because we sent our friends up here, didn't we?
Yeah, so our friends, so our family.
Kids had someone to play with, so yeah, it's been good. Now back to the bush to get away from it all.
Join us on next week's adventure as we chase stunning sunsets and discover some of the most beautiful spots Shark Bay has to offer.